Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, I did a unboxing of this laser engraver. It's the longer Ray 5. I also showed the assembly of it, and I also went through some of the pros and cons that I noticed about this laser engraver. So in this video, we're going to do some testing with it and see how it works. This laser engraver, the longer Ray 5, it's the 20 watt module, and 20 watts is kind of the sweet spot with laser engravers right now. You can get 40 watts, but with 40 watts, you don't get a nice of a fine dot as you would with a 20 watt, mainly because with a 40 watt, you got more lasers that bounce off mirrors to a center spot. So that is the reason why you kind of get a better focus with a 20 watt laser. So let's grab a variety of different thicknesses and we'll do some engraving and cutting tests. So to start, we're going to put this little SD card in. I think it goes in like that. No, I could be wrong. We're going to turn it on. Okay, so we're on right now. We're going to hit engrave. And we can see on the SD card that they provide, it comes preloaded with a few different things that you can engrave. So they have like a little cat, a flower, and a logo. I think we're gonna do their logo. And they also gave a bunch of this material with. It looks like it's just some thin like basswood or birch or something like that. So before we start, we have to focus this. We do that by dropping this little foot down, loosening these thumb screws. We're focused, we can flip that up. Now we're going to put our piece there, and we're going to frame it. Okay, it's going to be on the workpiece. So now all I have to do is hit confirm on my module, and we should be good to go. So there, that's the engraving it did. Now it's very detailed. Even this small little piece in here, it came out very well. Very nice crisp edges on it. So yeah, I'm very impressed with that. And it did it pretty quick too. A lot quicker than the 5 watt laser that I used to have. For our next test, we're gonna cut some 4.5 millimeter thick birch plywood. And we're just gonna cut a 3-inch circle. I just wanna see how quickly it can do that. And we have to focus our laser. Oh, don't move the laser itself. Focus it. Now Longer recommends 100% power at a 450 speed. All right, let's turn on the air assist pump because that's going to give us a, you know what, actually let's leave the air off. We're going to leave the air assist off. And then we're going to do another one with the air assist on to see what kind of difference we get. So we're going to cut a 3-inch circle. So I'm just going to hit start here on my laptop and it should start cutting. Not sure if this is cutting through or not, but we'll find out. Okay, let's get the camera a little bit closer here. Okay, let's see if it cut through. It sure did, just barely. A little bit left on the back, but that was super quick. Wow. Okay, I'm going to slow it down just a hair. And we're going to turn the air assist on and see how it does. Oh yes, that is much cleaner. All right, let's see. Just hanging on by a little bit, but that's all right. See, a little bit of charring on the bottom. The bottoms look the same pretty well. But on the top, it's a lot cleaner. You can see here, there's just some charring. And this one here is pretty much clean. Just where it started and stopped, just a little bit there. Other than that, yeah. 3-inch circles. All right, next up is some 12mm thick birch plywood. And Longer says that you can do it in one pass with 100% power at 100 millimeters per minute. We'll see if that will do it. I kind of doubt it. The only way we're going to find out if it'll cut it in one pass is to try it out. And we're going to cut a 3-inch circle again. This is kind of a torture test for a diode laser. I really don't think we're going through it. All right, let's see. I kind of doubt it. And yeah, this is expected. It didn't cut through. So let's reset. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to speed it up and I'm going to have it do multiple passes and see how that goes. I have this settings at 100% power, 200 millimeters per minute. So that's 100 millimeters per minute faster than I did previously. And I'm having it do 3 passes. So let's see if this will cut through. All right, let's see if we did it. Oh, so close. I don't know if you can see that, but it's getting there. We'll try it again and see what happens. Okay, I feel pretty confident that we cut through this. What? You know what? Maybe it's just too much. Let's try a different wood. What I have here is 1/2-inch MDF. We'll see if it will cut. I have the settings set to 300 millimeters per minute at 100% power. And I'm going to do 8 passes. Now this is a real workout for this laser. I wouldn't really recommend you guys doing this. It's kind of extreme. This is pretty hard on the laser, so we'll just give it a shot and see how it works. All right, let's see if we did it. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna give up on cutting 1/2-inch thick material. It just won't do it, but we know it does like roughly a 1/4 inch, no problem. Okay, next we're gonna do a larger engraving, and this is in birch plywood. And I have the settings here at 4,000 millimeters per minute, which is pretty quick. And my power, I set it to 50%, so I'm hoping that's gonna get us pretty dark. So let's hit start. All right, that was in real time. Let's bring the camera in here. So yeah, that looks pretty good. And then for my last test, I am just going to engrave my logo. So there you have it. Overall, it's a great machine. It can do a wide variety of things, and yeah, I'm extremely happy with it. It can cut 1/4 inch plywood, and that's mainly what I like a 20-watt laser to do, is cut 1/4 inch plywood. For anything thicker, I have a CNC router for that, and really, I mean, if you're gonna need to cut 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch material, that should be done with a CNC, not a laser. You're gonna get more accurate results with a CNC router. So that is it for this video. If you'd like to learn more about the Longer Ray 5 or purchase one for yourselves, there'll be a link in the description. And yeah, like always, we'll see you in the next one.